Green?
Yes. Yes, Lakshmi.
Yes or no?
Yes, Lakshmi. Yes.
Green, okay. I cannot hear you because your video, your voice is 0. No voice.
Hello. Lakshmi, can you hear me?
Okay.
Hello.
Hello. So you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. So we do the exercise for class for today. We finished the line and point projection. These two kind of basic elements on the 3 projection view system. So we use questions to help you guys to understanding what we talk about in the for the presentation of this class. So today we do we do some reviews on the point and line. So we do the exercise about the point and the line, and we have two. This is the 3rd time class today. Then we finish the point and line. We go directly to the plane. Then we go to the solid. Then we have combined solid. We have another 3 parts of projection for 3 parts already know. So the first we go do some review for the point and line. So for this question, please tell me which one is on the most top list. Which one is have the highest? Which one is lowest? Which one is on the right? Which one is on the left? Which one is on the right? Which one is in the front? Which one is on the back? So this one is A, B, C. We already know this is a 2-view projection system for the point. 2-view projection for the point. This one is Z position. This one is Y position. This line is X position for here. So please tell me which one is on the top. Which one is most on the top? On the toppest.
C.
Yeah, you're right. This is C. Yeah. Which one is
Yes.
lowest?
The lowest one is
B. Yeah,
B.
you're right.
B.
It's B. Which one is the left? Most on the left.
Left front.
Yeah.
It's it's A.
A. Are you
Yes.
A is left? Which direction is
Which
left?
one is left?
Yeah.
Left is C.
C. So this one is C.
C.
C, yes.
Right is
C. Yeah.
right is A, 对吧? You are right. Okay. Front. Front. Which direction is front? Remember? Front. This direction. So which one is on the front? Is A, yeah? A
Yes,
is on the front.
A.
A is on the front. Which one is the back? C is back.
Back
B.
C.
So
is back.
okay. Then we will review this one. So use for the relative position of 2 points. You can tell the visibility. So this one is also related with your visibility determination for the accumulated point here. So on the topest is C, on the lowest is B, on the left is C, on the right is A, in the front is A, in the back is C. Oh, this is the answer. Okay. So we go directly for this one. This one, you guys, it tell you okay, 2 position, 2 projection, B plus 1 comma, B plus 2 comma. How can get the B? Do you guys have any
We have
any idea?
to mark an angular line on Y and Y1 coordination, and then we have to extend the B1 line, B dot line to X
45 degree,
position
yeah.
and yes, in 45 degree.
Yeah, okay, all right, you are right. So you first you line use your you have your ruler, your 45 angle ruler to get a line here. Here you
And then
extend
extend
here.
B
Yeah.
dot.
Yeah,
Yes.
you get the
Then
B.
this is the B position.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this one we call it this one for what? This one is we call it the point projection law. Point projection law means what? Means if
Point
your
projection
point,
line.
yeah, all the adjacent line should 90 degree. Yeah, this one is 90 degree.
Yes.
This one is
90.
90 degree, and then this one is 90 degree, and the distance, this y is equal to this y.
Equal to
Yeah,
this line.
yeah,
Yes.
because this is 45. So this is a
45 degree
uh
projection.
point projection. Remember this
Line.
one? Projection law.
Point projection line.
Law. This one law. Yeah, means
Law.
Slow.
specification. Yeah, limit. Law or rule. Yeah,
Oh, yes. Rules.
yeah.
It's point
Uh,
projection rule.
just a lie. Just a law. You're based on this law, based on this rule.
Okay.
Okay, so so this one is the answer you should remember. This is a basic one. If you finish this one, you understand this one, you can tell me, okay, which one is X, which one is Y, which one is Z, which one is in front, which one is on the right, which one you finish the point projection. Yeah, congratulations, you understanding it very successfully. So this one, you find this one is just a fundamental for your homework for your line projection. This one is very important. So just show you in this in former class, we talk about if you find this intersection point is real the intersection point of two lines, you should make this point obey the point projection law. So this is the question. If you find the point not obey the point projection for two line intersection point, okay, these two lines are skew line. Okay, remember this one? So here, just like here, this one is point. We have 3 point projection plane. This one is V. This one is H projection. This one is W.
Which is W.
So
Yes.
remember this one. This one is X position. This one is X position. This one is Y position, and this one is equal to this one, and this one is Z position. This is the
Right.
projection 3-view projection of a point. Remember the position XYZ means what? Means and XY from this picture, you can get the answer quickly. This one is Y, this one is X, this one another one is Z. You keep this in your mind. You just fold it in the back. Yeah, turn it on the turn it here and turn it there. You make a corner. How can make a corner to a uh two-dimensional plane? You just turn it back, turn it down. So you just remember this one. This is a projection system. Is make a three-dimensional corner into a two-dimensional plane. So this is how can get the projection plane. This one is x y x z xz. This one is x y. This one is y z. Okay, remember this one. So here for the projection law is this one angle is 90 degree, and another one is 90 degree, and y is equal to y. Okay, so this is we call it point projection law. We always do the review for this one. So another one is that okay. We talk about the point, the line. Okay, point and line. A point on the line. Remember a line projection. Just like here. And please find the point C. Where is C? C make A and B into 2 and 3. Means that okay. Means AC provide CB equal to 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Make this okay. The radial. The point C is a division make is a point make this two line two parts divide into two parts. So this part equal divide the length of this part divided by this part is 3. Okay, so this is the question. Please find the C. Where is C? how can get the C? Make this. You can use a ruler, okay? You can length the length here. You make length to
Divide AB by 5.
yeah. You got a bit maybe okay. We can yeah just to make this one maybe is 100. If this one the length is 100, so you make 100 plus 5, provide 5, so it's 20. Yeah. So this one is 40. This one is 60. You use a ruler to length here, so you can determine the C is there. Where is C? You already know C is there. Where is on here? You use what? Use the point projection line. All the point or the adjacent casing line should be 90 degree here. So C should be here. Yeah, this is 90 degree.
Yes.
Yes.
So this one we use a ruler, but sometimes if this length is not equal to 100, or maybe this one is 30, or or 20, so this one is the length is changed. So you can use a happy line to find the 2, 2, 3. This right here. I show you in this PowerPoint. Sorry. Here you can add a line here. You make a line maybe to 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe this length you can use a ruler to try.
Laoshi, we can see the screen.
Okay,
Yeah,
sorry.
it's paused.
It's paused.
Okay. Why is okay, you can either use a happy line. You add a happy line here. Just like I'll show you. You can write another line. Maybe this angle is depend on you. Any angle is okay. This angle is okay. You add a line here, make a line to 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. You make here to line B there. You run across here to add a parallel line to parallel this one. This one is okay. We called it AC divided by CB is 2 divided to 2, 2, 3. So you add a line. Remember this line is parallel to this one. We call it a parallel line. Make the two line, this line and with this line and this line with have the same length right here. We call it parallel line to make a line to into a same radial. So you can use half line. So can get use a ruler add a 5 parts line. Then you get this one is 2 parts. This one is 3 parts. So make the line. Remember this line is must be parallel to this line. So you make AC plus divided by CB is equal to AC 0 divided by C0 to B0. So this is 2 parts, this is 3 parts, you get the C. So how can get the C plus 1 comma? You just extend here 90 degree here, you can get C plus 1. Yeah. So this one is the question for how about this one? Why is this point? Please tell me. Please tell me, okay, whether K is belong to AB. Whether K is belong to AB or not. We talk about when we talk about the K, if the point belong to a line, means what? Means this point make these two parts have the same radius, yeah? You can see from this picture, A plus 1 comma and this length equal divided by this length is equal to this length to divided by this one or not from this picture. This one A plus 1 comma, no, yeah. So if A plus 1 comma and K plus 1 comma divided by K plus 1 comma and B plus 1 comma is not equal to AK BKB.
Not similar, yes. No.
Yeah, so not similar. Yeah, not have the same ratio. So K is not on the point line. Remember this one? So yeah, you also have a but how about this one? It's the same thing. You can see from this picture. Yeah, also no.
Yes.
Yes or no. You can see the no. This one is small. Yeah, this one is big. Yeah, you can see from this picture. So we should remember this one. If a k belong to a line, just like here, k is belong to a line. It makes this part we divided by this part, divided by this part, divided by it have the same, should be same. You see from this picture, this divided by this one and this one is the same because this line, this line, this line, this three are parallel line, yeah. Parallel line have the have the characteristic make the line have the same ratio for the parallel line. So from this picture, you will find they have not the same ratio. So means K is not on AB. You can use the ratio for the method 1 and another method. You can complete the solve. You can use the 45-degree. You can complete the solid projection of line and point. You can determine, okay, whether this point on the line or not. Okay, so this one is help you guys to find the if I have the same ratio is there. You length here, move this direction here, and move this direction is there. You line them together. Okay, if you have the same ratio, k should be there because this line is parallel to this line. So make this length this angle, this two triangle is similar. But k there means k have not make them to have the same ratio. So k is not meet the requirement for the make the two parts have the same ratio for this question. So also for this one is the same thing. You can line AB, AK is there, BK, you use a ruler. Yeah, make distance is there. This angle is dependent on you. Okay, and the length is there. So K, so this one is K, and this one, you line them together. So K should be there, not be should here. So also come from this question. You can get okay, this is the same question, sorry, this is the same question. So this one, this one is method 1. We use the radial here. And this one we talk about the method 2. Method 2 will complete the line and the point projection. First, you get the line projection because we talk about the AB is a side line, is parallel to the W projection plane. This is a side line. So on the side on the W projection, this one is an inclined line. You use here. Okay, you will find K is not on AB because we talk about if K on the line, K should be on the 3 projection at the same time should be also on the line projection, but on the W projection, K plus 2 comma is not on here, yeah? So K, you can tell me, is not belong to AB line. So here you can see from this one can tell you is not on here, but this one is use the radial belong to use the similarity to tell you the questions answer. Okay, this one will show you this is the 3-dimensional. Will show you okay why k is not on here. You can see from this one maybe k is on the same plane here, k is on here. Yeah, in the space. So for this one, the intersection point projection is there. K plus is there. K another one is is there. So make them are not the same ratio. If you move the K is on the line here, here. So K make them have the same ratio if a K on the line, yeah? You can see from this picture, you move the K on the line, you'll find this one is parallel to this one, and this one is parallel to this one. So make the K here, you make have the same ratio. Already know K should be here. You move it, make it belong to the line. So K is outside of the line, not on the line. Okay, this one we'll talk about for the true length and the true angle. Already know we have the RS. RS we have already know the length is here, is there. Please complete the projection of RS on H. Do you guys have any answer? So you use this one, and how about this one? This one we call it on the V, yeah.
Yeah.
We use the which angle is beta, yeah, and the length
Yes,
this one
beta.
beta is use data what for the beta angle? Use data y. Remember for the true length and the true angle. You have a
Yeah, with beta data y, yeah.
yeah data y.
E-
So so you
Beta
have
y.
this direction. You extend this direction. This is 90 degree. So you
90
use
degree.
use a ruler to learn a length. Make this length L equal to this one. So here you can determine data y. So data y you can get the answer on S. You should know another S on S point should be on the line on this direction. Yeah, S on here. So here is data y. You make data y here and make data y here. So this time we have two answer. You get here is data y. Here is data y. I can show you guys. So this question first use this one and the true length you use to determine data y. And this data y is here and the data y is here. So this one is data y. You always know the data y. You know the direction is there, so you can get the SE there or SE there. Okay, show you. You can use any angle. You maybe here or here is the same thing. You use R. You make a 90 degree here. You make the length. This one is L. We construction a 90 degree triangle. So we call it this one is true length. This angle is beta. This one is data y. Yeah.
Delta y.
So S should be located on this line. And we know this direction is data y. Yeah.
Delta y, yes.
Yeah. So we get the answer. S is there. S is there. Make this line equal to this line. This is data y. And this is data y. You can go direct for the true length and true angle. So we have two answers. This direction is okay. This direction is okay. So we have two answer. Because that one, we have two direction. We have two data y. Yeah. So this is the answer. This question to change you to tell you okay any two kind of maybe tell you the true length. You can get the data y and beta. Also, you can construction around the projection. This is have four characteristic: angle, true length, projection on V, projection, and coordinate difference. If you know two of them, you can get another two. We have four characteristics. I'll repeat it again: true length, true angle, projection length, and coordinate difference. If you know any two of them, you can get another two. So this is for the method to do the true length and the true angle is on this one. You can you can use this one to finish your homework quickly. I think. Just remember this one. You should go direct to the review for the true length and true angle, beta, alpha, and gamma. So they keep this in your brain, keep this in your mind, so you can finish this one quickly. Just practice your exercise skill. And also this one, okay, you should know this is a two-dimensional. You should know the three-dimensional in your brain. You because this one is how can get this one. True length is a three-dimensional in oblique line. Okay, for this one, and okay, please tell me these two lines are parallel line or not.
Yes,
It's a parallel line.
It's a parallel line. Are you sure? Okay. Are you sure? For this one is parallel line or not, and this one or not. We talk about for if any two of line. So first tell me what's the name of this two line? Can you tell me? It's the same thing with PowerPoint. These two lines are
Not a parallel line.
side line. You have any
Side,
idea?
yes.
We talk about if any two line of the side, if any two line to determine if they are parallel line or not. If these two lines are parallel line, you should use the third one. Third, you should complete the third one. Remember this one? Because this two line is special line. You cannot use two projection system to tell, okay, this two line are parallel or not. You should complete the third one. Just like here.
Mm.
Just like here, okay, this one you complete the third one, you can get the answer. Okay, this two line is parallel, yeah, because three.
Yes.
But for this one is
Yeah,
not.
actually,
You
three
can show
projection,
me.
yes.
You can use this one. You can complete the third one. They are intersection point, but this two line are intersection line or not. These two lines are not intersecting line because no intersection point. There are two skew line. Remember this one? So this one is a accumulate point. Remember this one? These two lines are skew line. SKU. Yeah. No intersecting, no parallel. But this line are parallel. So for if you have the spatial line, remember this one. You should complete the third one. That's for the question. Yeah. Because for the
So we have
homework.
to complete first the third view projection.
Yeah. For the homework, we also have the same question with these two. You always find the sideline on your homework. Two sideline. If these two sideline are parallel or not, you should complete the third one. Okay, remember this one?
Okay.
Yeah, you complete the third one here, and this one is not. Okay, so this one is just for the question we talk about in the class. We will find this one is a point, one. Make the CD is not have the same ratio, so point one is not the point on a CD. So these two lines are not intersecting line. You also to find complete the third one. You will find the intersection point one and this one, they are not obey the point projection
They'll not
law.
obey the point, yes.
Yeah, so these two lines are not intersection line, so they are skew line. So we have two intersection points, this one and this one. We have two accumulate points. Yeah, you can use accumulate points to use the left right to give the visibility. So for this one, for the intersection point we talk about, you should always point projection line. First, you should on the three view projection thing, you should obey the projection line. Another one, you can use the point belong to a line. Make two lines to should have the same radius, just like here. If point one belong to CD, point one should be make these two parts have the same radius with this part and with this part. You can see from this picture, they are not the same, yeah? So you can use this one is very quickly, but this one is more easy to understand. You have your choice. If you find this question, you add your 45 helping line. You complete the third one. Use the for the intersection point. Use the point projection line. If obey, okay, this one is the intersection line. If not obey, okay, this one is not intersection point. So they are not intersection line. So this answer is no. No intersection. Okay, all this one for the review for the line and the point and line. Okay. So So we do the exercise answer for our homework. First, we do the coordinate, because the coordination is very important for the point projection. It tell you, okay, for the two projection system and the three projection system also have x, y, z. And for two projection system, two projection plane system, we only have one y. But for the three projection plane system, we have two y, and the two y are the same. So for this question, here you get the answer is there. So this one is x, this one is y, this one is z, and the b, this one is x, this one is y, this one is z. So you complete the two-dimensional projection on three projection plane, and this one is the third one. I guess you can find this one very quickly. Okay, you where is a? So for first you learn here, this one is 25.
25.
Yeah. This one is
then 15.
15. You get a plus here. Oh, no comma here. And z is there, yeah? This is 25.
Is there.
So
It's
a is
25.
there. You can use helping line to get another one. There is a. So this is answer. B. X position is 20. Y position is 20. So B is there. B is there.
Z position is 0 here.
0 is there, yeah? B
Yes,
is there.
and B is 0 is the
0
Z
is
position
there.
is 0, so
Yeah.
yes.
0 is there, so should be on the line here.
Line here, yes.
Yeah. So B is there. I can show you the answer here. So this one is 25. This is X. This one is 15. You can get A. You should write the right name. To B plus 2 comma should remember this one. B, it should be there. So you can get the answer. This is 45 line here. So how about this one? You use when you draw the three-dimensional visibility, you should use make this line to parallel to this line, and the length this one is 20. This line is parallel to this line. This one is 20 because z is 0, so b is there. A you can find here. This one is 25. This one is z is there is 25, and y is 15. So from this one, you will find this one and this one. You will help you guys to understanding the point projection in the three-dimensional. How can change the three-dimensional to the 2D? You just turn this one back and turn this down. You can get the answer there. You change them in your mind. Change it in your mind. You from this one you can quickly get the position of the point A is there. Point B on the plane of is H because Z is 0. So point B is on H plane. So this is answer for the question 1 here. For the question 2, we're talking about, this one is use a ruler to length them together. So use a ruler here, maybe it's 20. Use a ruler, then, yeah, get the length here. You get the answer a plus 1 comma is there. And which one is x? This direction is x, yeah? You should use ruler to length this direction. So first you get the x, make this one to equal to this one, and make this one to equal to this one, this length, and make this direction equal to this direction. You can get the A. Just to show you here. This line equal to this line. This line equal to this line. And this is x equal to this line. Use a ruler. You get the answer. So the position of A, B, and C. But we talk about, we put all the points in the first column for this question, yeah? So D, remember, the Z position is 0, yeah, here. So D is there. You should change your, if you find that the Z position is there, so D should be on V plane. Z position is 0, so D should be on, D plus 1 comma should be on OX line. You remember this one?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
For this one, for the third one, you tell the relative position of A, B, C. Just like here, you can see. Okay, for X position, we talk about X means left and right, yeah? So for the X position, you relative to C. C is there. A on the C the right or left to C, related to C. A is on the left or right of C. A is on the
right.
left. On the right. So you write a right
Right.
here.
Yeah.
So this one means right. This Chinese means right. And 4 means what? Means this length is 4. This length means 4.
Okay.
So this length is means 4. Okay. This length. Is 4. So B is on the left of, yeah, C, yeah. The length is also, this length is also 4. But for the Y position, okay, Y position is this one. All the points A and B is on the back, yeah?
Yeah.
Behind.
So length,
Yes, back.
this length is H for A. This length, it means what? Delta Y, means delta Y. So this one is delta Y, yeah? For the back, for Y position. So this one is delta Y. So for the Z position, all the points are on the bottom, yeah? So this one is delta Z, and this one, and have the same delta Z, because A and B have the same Z position on this direction, yeah? So here, you can get the answer. On the bottom H position, H means delta Z. Okay, so this is the answer for the point. Another one is there. Maybe there is a question for you, a little bit difficult to understanding. What is the question? Is A, point A is on the right of point B is on the right of B with 10 millimeters. So which direction is right? Is X position, yeah? On the right means this direction. So B should be on the line here. This length, delta X
10.
should be 10, yeah?
10 millimeter, yes.
Yeah. So on the bottom 15 means delta Y, delta Z.
Smaller.
Yeah,
yes.
delta Z. This one is 15.
15.
Yeah. So you can get the point A quickly is there. And on the
B. This is B. This is D.
front,
B.
yeah, this is B. So on the front is there. I'll show you a question. Answer. This one. B is on the right. This one is 10. On the left, on the
yes.
below, this is 15. And on the back, this one is 10. This direction is 10, yeah? You first get the B, you then use the 45 degree, get another answer. And on the point A, point C. Point C is just on the left. No low top, low below. Means what? C is just on the left of A. Means C and A have the same Z position. Low bottom, low top, low bottom. No left, low go direct up, low go down. So C is on the just on the left. Means this question C and A with A have the same position Z. So on this direction, and also have the same Y position. Remember, so you got only just on the two left. It means this direction is 8. You from this direction have the same position. So C and A, C is visibility because this C is on the left. So from this direction, C on the just on the left here. So C and A is there. So this is a question. You write the name like here. So this one is the answer. You can this one this one means low data Z, low data Y. Only have data X. This one just on the left. No left, no low left, low front, low back, low below, low top. Just on the right. Okay. Just another guy sit on your left hand at on the same desk. Just on your left means this one. Remember this one? So this is the question for the point position. So for
Teacher,
all the position,
teacher, I have a question.
okay,
Teacher, here, A is no.
okay. You mean
Yeah.
here?
Yes, teacher. Here, A is on the left of B, not the right. No,
A is
the
on the
graph.
right. A is
A is
on
on
the
the
right
right
of
of
B.
B.
No.
Yes.
A is on the left of B.
On the left.
This
But
direction.
the question is A is on the right of B with the 10 millimeter.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, you are right. B is
Yeah.
there. Okay. Yeah. You are right. Yeah. The question is wrong. On the left. Because this, sometimes okay, you will find this.
It's actually A is on right of B. So actually B is on
Oh
left.
yeah.
Who?
B is
See
on the
clearly.
left. Yeah,
Now,
this
A
one
is
is
on
right.
right.
Yeah.
A is on right. A's position is right of B. Okay. So that's why B
B.
is on left.
Yeah. The question is wrong. Okay, so this one will have a translation quite wrong error for me. Okay, this one means B is on the right of A.
Oh,
I have
yeah.
translated it.
Okay.
Sorry. Okay,
No,
so you are
okay.
right. Okay. So, but this question is B is on the left. Is another one. You that kind is belong to the question for the former one. So, in this one, I just tell you for the accumulated point, you use the left, right, top, and below, and the front and back to define the visibility already know here. So this one is very important for you to show me, okay, which one is visibility, which one is not visibility. When it's visibility means have the same data X at the same X position, same Y position, different Y position for this one, have different Y position, the same Z position, same Y position. So the projection from the W, you have the accumulate to 1 point. Means just on the left is means here. Just only on the left, no another position difference. So this is the question here. So for we finished the point projection on the exercise today. So then we go direct to the line position for the chapter 4. Just from this one, for the first question for the line projection, I mean, this one is not difficult for you to finish because we only have the 45 degree. You only need to complete another 2 points and then you line them together. Then you write your name here. So for this one, remember this one. This is a horizontal line. Horizontal line means on each plane is inclined line. Another 2 plane projection is parallel to the folding line. This one we call it side line. We see a lot answer question is related to these 2 parts, yeah? I remember for the line, intersection line, always get a line here. So if you see you don't have this one, you only see this one, you please tell me this one is a side line. You should quickly to answer it. Because in our question we haven't have the we don't give the 3 projection plane for you. If if in the final examination we only have 2. You only have 2, you can get the answer quickly. You should do it quickly as you can, because this one you remember it. You only have this one and this one, you can get this one quickly. So okay, this is a horizontal line, H line. This one is a side line, S line. Because we call it parallel line, parallel to the projection plane. This one is parallel to the side plane. This one is parallel to the H plane. And for this one, because we find a accumulated point for a line.
No,
So
line.
yeah, we call it H point view line. Remember this name? And this line is
perpendicular line. Is that?
Yeah, it's a perpendicular line.
Yeah.
But the name is H point of view line. You should write the name.
H point of view line, yes, yes. H
yeah, you
point
should
of view
write the
line.
name here.
H
How about
point
this
of view
one?
sorry. H point view perpendicular line.
Yeah, perpendicular line. Yeah,
Yeah.
you're right.
Is that correct?
But what kind of perpendicular line? We have 3 kind of perpendicular line. You should write the perpendicular line
H
name.
view, yes.
Yeah. So for this one, we call it you can write the name. So this one is perpendicular to W. Yeah, we call it
yes.
W point view line.
Line.
Yeah. So this one we find okay.
Point.
This one is very interesting. A line is located on the OX line. So M position for Z is 0. Yeah. Here Z position is 0.
Okay.
So
0.
okay, this line is what kind of line?
Side
You
line.
got Yeah.
This side.
Side is there.
Side
This
line,
is front line. Yeah, you're right. Front line. It's parallel to the V projection. So this line, you can tell me the answer. The name.
oblique line.
Yeah, oblique line. Oblique line or
Oblique
inclined
line,
line is the same.
Yes.
Inclined line is the same. Oblique line and an inclined line. Okay, so this is a question for the first one of the line. This is very basic. And basically for what? For the line position with the projection plane, only have 1 line. Because for this question, we only have 1 line. Only one line, no 2 line. If I have 2 lines, will please tell me 2 line parallel, 2 line intersection, 2 line skew line. So if you find a question is about 1 line, it tells the position with the projection plane. We have 3 kind of parallel line. Horizontal line, front line, side line. From this picture, you can find horizontal line, side line, and front line. We have 3 kind of
Lakshya, I have a question on number 5.
Okay.
On 5.
Yeah, here.
It has 2 in the down. It has 2 m dot. Is it right?
Sorry, it's wrong. It's N.
Okay. I think second one is N, right?
Yeah, this
Yes,
is no
yes.
comma, sorry.
No comma, yes, no comma.
Yeah, M and N, you are right. Okay, so we have front line, side line, horizontal line, W point of view line, H view point line. If we have a point on V, we have a V projection line, point of view line. So this is an opposite line. Remember, if you finish this question, you should add a seek line for the line projection, and another case line is a scene line. Remember this one. If you finish homework, you should make this line more seeker than the casing line. Remember? Okay. And
Yes.
remember the on V we have the +1 comma. On W we have 2, and there is no. Okay. And all the intersection, this point and the point should have obey the point projection line law. So this angle is 90 degree. This angle, all the angle is 90 degree. So this is for the spatial position for the line here. But for the here, we found it's not it's very not easy to understand for the page line. For this question, we go directly for this one. Why this one is no answer? So we go directly for the page here, page 13. For the page 10 and the page 9, you can, because it's a little bit difficult for you, we will leave this one for the next exercise. But you should do it by yourself. You should understand the question by yourself. Then we go direct for okay, leave this 2 page on the next exercise. You leave your time to do it by yourself because a little bit difficult for you to understand. So for the first, for the page
13.
Yeah, 13. How about the line with the projection plane? So this one is related to the first question is there. Please tell me, how about the line AB? You have to, but you
AB.
also don't have to. Why? This one is what kind of a line? You can only have 2 of them. You can find the question answer. You don't need to complete the third one. So this line is what kind of line?
Review.
Really? This one is what? You should okay. Now okay, I will show you. If you want to complete the third one, is okay. It doesn't matter. Here, you get 45 here. So these 2 lines, it should be 不好. It's difficult to to use here. Okay, you use here, here. You extend here 45. You get a 1 point in there because they have the same position for. So you get a line B there. Line A is there. So this is the answer. So you will find this line is what line? This one is parallel to OZ. This one is parallel to OX. So this line is a front line. Right? It's same thing.
Yeah.
It's same thing with this one, but they changed the direction. Yeah, change the direction.
Front line.
Yeah, you remember, okay. You should remember for you don't need to get the third one. You only see we talk about if you how about how to determine which this line is parallel to which plane. First, on which plane is parallel? In this plane is an inclined line. So in the we is an inclined line. On another 2 projection plane is a parallel to the folding line. So this one is parallel to OX, that's why. So you can tell me, okay, this one is parallel to V. We call it front line. So how about this one? Parallel to which one? Parallel to H, yeah? So we call it horizontal line.
line.
Parallel to H.
And you see here, remember this one? Remember this one?
Yes.
Yes.
You see here, what kind of line? We'll see a lot of time. You complete
Profile line, sideline.
sideline, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes,
You can
it's
get here
sideline.
and here. So you get another line is parallel to V. On W is a
W.
optical line.
W on W.
Yeah. On W is an inclined line. So means
Inclined line.
this one is parallel to W. Okay. So how about this one?
Parallel to W.
How about this one? This one is very easy. On V.
Normal line.
Yeah, normal line, perpendicular line. So the real name is V point view line. Yeah, on V is accumulate 1 point. So this question is okay. This one is front line. This one is horizontal line. This one is a side line. This one is a
sideline.
V point view line.
Yeah.
Okay. For this one, please tell me the relative position of line A, B, and CD. So first from this question, these two lines are intersection or skew line or parallel line. You have any question?
Parallel.
Parallel? There is no parallel means two lines should be parallel. But these two have the intersection point, but the points are not obey the point projection line. So this one is a skew line.
Skew line.
Yeah, skew line. Because no intersection point on here not have the two intersection have not 90 degree here. Yeah, that's why. So how about this one? No parallel, no okay. You can complete the third one. You can complete the third one. D is there, D is there. So also is a skew line. Yeah, skew line because no parallel, no intersection. We call it about when we do the intersection here, the point intersection here should be another projection on this one is there, yeah. These two lines, net them together, not 90 degree. So no parallel, no intersection. So these two lines should be skewed. We talk about if a two line intersection here in the real, the point of the projection on the intersection on V or H, so the adjacent line should be 90 degree here. This one, you find the intersection. You found the intersection is here. This one is here. Line them together. This is not 90 degree. And also the intersection point is there. You extend here. Another intersection should be here. Line them together, not 90 degree. So no parallel, because parallel you can see no parallel. But there is also no parallel. Yeah. So if any projection no parallel means these two lines not parallel. But which one is skew or which one is intersecting? You should divide on the intersecting point or by the projection line. Remember this one? So these two lines are skew line. How about this one? This one is parallel, yeah? And this one is parallel.
And this one is parallel.
Yeah. Because this is inclined line. We talk about if your inclined line, we only have two projection parallel is parallel. If you have a spatial line, just like the sideline talk about in the question, if two sideline only have two projection is not enough. If you have two sideline to parallel, you should have completed the third one. But this two line are inclined line, so this two lines should be parallel. But how about this one? This is a spatial line. CD is a normal to H, and CD the projection also on the line AB. So you CD and AB is no parallel the first, yeah, because no parallel. Skew or intersecting.
Intersecting.
Yeah, intersecting, because AB is located the D, because CD is spatial line. The spatial line, the projection is on the AB, means these two line is have intersection. If there is no intersection, you should guess the CD projection should be, the point should be outside of the line. Yeah, that's right. If these two are skew line, remember this one. If okay, because CD is a in the space, we can show you here. Because CD is a line to perpendicular to H. If a line and CD we have this intersection, this one should be located on here. If move the line with no intersection with here, you will find the point. If the point D is there, it's outside of the AB, means these two lines are skew line. But the D on the line AB means these two lines are intersecting. Another method, you can use the three dimension. You can use your for help to complete this two lines. You will find the point of these three might obey the point projection law. So this is the question. This one is skew, parallel, and intersecting. For the fourth, okay. How about this one? Two sideline, yeah. So in the two sideline, so they are parallel.
Yeah.
We see a lot of time for this one. You complete the third one, you can see. Oh, sorry. I will make a mistake. We talk about if you are two sideline, only have two projection, you cannot get the answer. These two lines are parallel. You should complete the third one. Okay. You get the answer is there. Because they have on the same plane, you will find these two lines are intersection, right? Two lines are intersecting. Why? Why this is an intersection line? I will show you, okay, on the video. Here you have two lines to have projection, just like it. Okay, get it. This one is here. This one is here. Yeah, this direction. On this is satellite to this. This one is a W plane. This one is W plane. You have a two line, okay, to parallel to W. Yeah. When you do here, you make them okay have the same position on H here, on H, and on H plane. Yeah, you have the same. Your line them is a line. You position to line them together. You have the same line here. On V projection, you have the same position AB and CD on the same line. So means these two side line, okay, have on the same plane, just like here. Yeah, always parallel. But you move it away, you'll find this is skew. But for the projection, AB and CD for this one, you projection on H, AB should be moved on left, yeah. So you move them on the same line for H, and for V, means these two lines have intersection point. Yeah, for this one. So you can imagination use your anything you can construction for the side line here. So this line, two line are intersection line. And how about this one? This one you can you can use the in ratio. Tell me quickly. This one equal to this one. is not equal to this one. So this one K is not the same point. So this one is a skew line. Yeah, because K make this length equal to this length, make this length divided by this length is not equal to this length equal to by this length. So this K not obey the projection law. So you can get the answer quickly. Yeah, so it's a skew line. So this one is a skew line. So how about this one? This question is very important. You should remember and do it practice because we will take this one in the final examination. So first, from this two, you can tell me for this question, how many accumulated points? Only have one, yeah? Is there?
One.
Yeah,
Yeah.
one.
You can label one is there, two is there, one is on AB. You found A, one is there plus one comma. B is there on here. So one is on top, yeah. So one is visible,
Yes.
two is not visible. So this one will have two accumulated points. Extending here,
Yes.
extending here, you will find the question answer quickly. So for this one, this one and this one, these three are skew line.
Not
Skew line.
intersect. Yes, there is scroll line.
Yeah. So for the skew line, you have the accumulated point. You should tell me the visibility. But for the intersection line, there is no skew line, no intersection point. Only the intersection, no accumulate point because the point, the intersection point is only one point. But for this one, this position is the position of 2 points. Yeah. So this one for this one, this one because it's the intersection point. This point is only 1 point. This one is also belong to AB, also belong to CD. It's the same point. But for this one belong to CD, another one belong to AB. It's not the same point. So there are two. So this one is for the accumulate point, skew line, and the difference with the intersecting line. Oh, this is the answer. So we leave another 2 page for you guys to understanding the true length and the true angle. And also how about the position of SA line? This one is just like a pyramid. It's a pyramid, just like Egypt pyramid. We call it a pyramid. So this is a pyramid. Please, okay, you should tell me the line. This is opening line. This is front line, or this is belong to which one? You can tell me the answer from a three-dimensional for a solid, just like a pyramid, the projection like here. So so you should find the answer for this here. But if you finish the question, you can check your answer with this question. But you didn't finish this question, you do it by yourself at first. So today class we take 1 hour, 30 minutes, 1 hour and 30 minutes to get the exercise class. I wish you can understanding the question carefully and help you guys to remember. I talk about we will take those exercises to our final examination. So you practice for this page, for this PowerPoint, because we class is a lot of knowledge and content should be leaving us to learn. So we don't have a lot of time to do the review at the last. So and when we finish our courses, there may be several weeks before you get the final examination. So during that your spare time on that weeks, we have no class, we no exercise. You should try your best to review those PowerPoints by yourself when you do the home, when you to finish your final examination. So do review before you do the final examination. It's very important to remember. If you not do the review, you have a long time we have no class, you will find it is so difficult because this class is no another choice. Only choice you should practice your your knowledge. Remember, just the position, just the projection, just the solid projection. Anything of projection is related to the knowledge we talk about in the PowerPoint. So that is very important for you. Wish you remember I might mention this. So pay attention, pay your attention to the knowledge we talk about in the, and also pay your attention to the review. Okay, by yourself. So okay, so today class we finish it. Then we next time we finish the plan, we'll have another exercise class for you guys to to talk about the page 9 and page 10. So okay, today we leave some question to you. Wish you have a nice day today. So see you next time. Bye bye. 再见了。
Thank you, teacher.
拜拜，
再见，
谢谢。
Thank you, 老师。
谢谢您。